This challenge asks us to check if a string ends with the given target string. This challenge can be solved with the ends with method, which was introduced in ES 2015, but for the purpose of this challenge, they want us to use one of the JavaScript substring methods instead. There's a few different ways we can do this. First, we can use slice by passing in the negative length of the target to cut a substring from the end of the string. Then compare that to target to see if it's the same. We'll just return the result of that comparison. Or, for a bit of odd, we can search the string for the last index of the target. If the result of that is the length of the string minus the length of the target, then we know the string ends with that target. Lastly, we could use a regular expression that we build with the regexp constructor. The $sign at the end checks for the end of the string. Test the string with the regular expression and return that result for a quick and easy check. Try it out on your own using the link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.